Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Suave. Hey look, I got this new free cheat. It's for Warzone, Modern Warfare 3, whatever. It works for PC, console. It has aimbot, ESP, unlock all. You can you can save operators, camos, you can basically do everything. Alright, this is the best cheat right now. I have it for free right now, so all y'all gotta do is join my Discord, which it will be in the description of this video. So when y'all get the download from my Discord, all you need to do is open up the loader, as you see right here. Then you enter in free, press enter. It'll say load success. And all y'all need to do is load up Call of Duty and it'll be there. So I'm gonna show y'all that right now. Alright, y'all. So look, we in here, you see, we got aimbot, all the aimbot settings. We got spinbot, jitterbot, ESP. As y'all see, we got meta blueprint saver, all different types of camos. Misc, unlock all. I know y'all want that. Unlock all. Super sprint, FOV, change your invisible gun, just different things like that. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all, we got remove recoil. Move it to any type of percent you want. You can save configs, load configs, you feel me? The one that you got saved. So yeah. Y'all, I just want to showcase y'all real quick to unlock all and me having everything in the game. As y'all can see, we got every operator unlocked. I'm level 1. You got this dude, these are unreleased. You have everything in the game. Every gun unlocked. As you can see, just click on a random one. You got every camo unlocked in the game too. So yeah, like I said, that's really it. You feel me? It's a free cheat. Works on console, PC. It's in my Discord. Make sure y'all join my Discord. Hit me up. Y'all get the download and all that. So yeah, catch y'all later.